Bado inauma kujua ya kwamba Baba Ray, our noble leader, amerest. Lakini kati ya hayo yote, and take this to the bank and take $1 million with it, Babu Owino is being called for adventure. Babu Owino is being asked, are you a hero? Do you want to be a hero? Adventure is waiting for you. But Babu Owino, as you come, remember, katika hii inchi, kuna wale walivalishwa gown, wakaambiwa hao ndio custodians wa hii uraisi. I don't know how you gonna handle them, because they are going to watch you, Babu Owino. Today, Babu Owino, mimi nikiangalia Destiny, great Destiny is calling Babu Owino into action. Leo hii Babu Owino akinuka, even me, I'm gonna support him unwavering. Lazima nitasupport yeye, because Destiny inamuuliza, are you ready to be a hero? Are you ready to be a great hero? Lakini Babu ajue wale walivalishwa gowns na the dirty system, they are watching anyone who is going to rise like Raila Amolo Odinga. They are watching. Na sisi wa Kenya lazima to watch, because tukikuja pamoja, we are a force, we are a power. We can overcome them.